Hi, today I am going to run the Flint Hills Trail. The access point I'm looking for is in Osawatomie, Kansas. I'm not 100% sure where I'm going to be going, so this is going to be interesting to find a place to park and to run. But from what I've read, this is a really nice trail, so I'm really looking forward to doing it. Okay, I made it to the access point for the Flint River Trail. I'm going to be heading up that. I'm going to run 8 miles today. I really don't know what to expect because I don't know where this trail goes, so it's going to be pretty fun. I'll take you along the way. This is 2 miles in on the outward route. So far, this is pretty much what it looked like. It's really flat. There's some tree cover, but at this time of year, there's no leaves. My understanding is this was the railroad line. And when they took the tracks out, they put some limestone down and made this trail. So it's nice and even, and it just goes through farmland here in Kansas. I got 2 more miles to go out, see if there's anything interesting, and then I'll come back. Okay, here is 4 miles out. We're gonna go ahead and turn around. A little warning, if you're going from Osawatomie to Rantoul, the east to west route, it is a little bit uphill. Not steep, but it's a constant uphill the whole way. So I'm gonna turn around and head back to Osawatomie. Let's go. Another interesting part of this trail is a lot of the utility poles are still here. So I don't know if those were used for telegraph, telephone, power, whatever. But they're just here along the trail still. There's no wires or anything, but the poles are there, so you can kind of see like what it was when this was actually a trail line or a train line. Well, I just got done saying that it was all uphill going east to west, but going back it seems like it's all uphill now. Maybe that's just some sort of trick that your mind plays on you when you're running. About 2.5 miles left. 8 miles on the Flint Hills Nature Trail. I really like the trail a lot. I didn't really see a lot of people. I saw a couple people walking the dog, and that was really it. So this is a really solitary trail, but I think that is really good. A lot of running is really solitary, and it just is all up to you on how fast you want to run, how far you want to run, and you just have to have your goals in mind and just keep running forward. So with that, I'm going to go home, grab some lunch, and get the rest of this weekend going. Thank you for watching, and just keep pushing forward.